9 Christmas gift ideas with APSX Machines. Looking for unique and personalized holiday gift ideas? Look no further. With APSX Machines, you can create amazing DIY gifts. Let's get started. 1. Customized Keychains. Create keychains shaped like animals, initials, favorite characters, or symbols. 2. Toys. Think about molding small animal figurines, cartoon characters, or Lego toys. 3. Cookie cutters. Design cookie cutters in various shapes such as hearts, stars, animals, or seasonal motifs to make baking more fun. Use the APSX PIM desktop injection molding machine to create unique patterns. 4. Bottle openers. Create a bottle stopper. For openers, craft a sturdy metal opener with a unique handle design. 5. Guitar knobs. Develop a custom guitar knob set with unique textures for a musician's specific guitar. 6. Brass Mouthpiece. Develop a custom brass mouthpiece with engraved patterns for a musician's specific instrument preferences. The APSX Nano Desktop Swiss CNC lathe enables the creation of intricate and precise parts. 7. Coasters. Design and create coasters from wood, plastic, or metal. 8. Clocks. Craft wooden or metal clocks with custom designs or engravings. Add the recipient's name or an important date for a personal touch. 9. Key holders. Design and cut out key holders from wood or metal, incorporating personalized shapes or names to hold keys decoratively. With APSX Machines, you can unleash your creativity and make memorable DIY gifts for this Christmas season. Want to learn more? Visit our website at www.apsx.com.